Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of art restoration. This is a process that combines history, science, and a lot of patience to bring artworks back to life. Let's explore the techniques used for different mediums and time periods. First up, let's talk about oil paintings. These are perhaps the most common artworks brought in for restoration. The process often starts with cleaning the surface. Dust, smoke, and grime accumulate over the years, dulling the original colors. Restorers use a variety of solvents, carefully chosen based on the painting's age and the materials used. They test small areas to ensure the solvents don't damage the paint. It's a meticulous job. Next, let's move to frescoes. These wall paintings are made on freshly laid lime plaster, and the colors are absorbed as the plaster dries. Frescoes are particularly challenging to restore because they are part of the wall itself. Cracks and flaking are common issues. Restorers use materials like lime and sand to fill in gaps and stabilize the surface. They often have to recreate the original pigments to match the colors perfectly. On to sculptures. Sculptures can be made from various materials, including marble, bronze, and wood. Each material requires a different approach. For marble, restorers might deal with chips and cracks. They use special adhesives and fillers, often mixed with marble dust, to blend seamlessly. Bronze sculptures, on the other hand, suffer from oxidation. Restorers use chemical treatments to remove the green patina and protect the surface from further damage. Now, let's talk about the importance of the time period in art restoration. Art from different time periods requires different techniques and considerations. For example, medieval paintings often use tempera, paint made from pigment mixed with egg yolk. These paintings are more delicate and require gentler solvents. The varnish used is also different, so restorers need to know the historical context to choose the right materials. Renaissance artworks, on the other hand, introduced oil paints and more complex compositions. Restorers must understand the layering techniques and glazing methods used by the artists. Baroque paintings often have dramatic contrast and deep shadows, which means cleaning and retouching must be done with an eye for preserving these effects. Modern art brings its own set of challenges. Contemporary materials like acrylics and mixed media require cutting-edge restoration techniques. Chemical analysis helps determine the best approach for these newer materials. Art restoration is truly an art in itself. It demands a deep understanding of both the artwork and the materials used. It's about preserving history and ensuring that future generations can appreciate these masterpieces. Thanks for joining me on this journey through art restoration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more art insights. See you next time.